Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to put your iPhone 16 on silent mode. Let's have a look. Method 1. You can silent your iPhone 16 using the action button. To silence your iPhone 16, simply long press the action button located above the volume buttons on the left side. You will notice haptic feedback on your iPhone. A silent icon will briefly appear in the dynamic island at the top to show the changes. To get back ring mode, long press the action button again. Method 2. You can use Control Center to turn on silent mode on iPhone 16 without using buttons. On your iPhone home screen, swipe down from top right of the screen to open the Control Center. Tap once on mute button, bell icon. A pop-up message will show you silent mode is on. Similar way, tap muted red button to turn on ring mode. Silent mode off, notification will appear including the change. Method 3. You can use Settings app to silence your iPhone 16. Open Settings app on your iPhone 16. Then scroll down and tap Sounds and Haptics. Simply turn on the button beside Silent Mode. That's it. Silent Mode on. Similar way you can turn off silent mode. So these are the steps to put your iPhone 16 on silent mode. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.